What is your weirdest experience with someone touching your boobs?
Touching my boobs. No weird experience. Oh, just once that this Turkey guy, he went past me and he was like this. He literally did this and then I went back and slapped him. Chutiya. Haan yaar. What nonsense. I was so annoyed with that.
Okay, what is the weirdest of experience you've had with someone touching your boobs?
I don't know. Like I have a friend who just randomly comes up and grabs it. That's probably very weird.
I think maybe while trying on bras, there are these people that like when you try on lingerie, and the staff is like, let me check if it's like properly fitting you, and it's so weird. Like, dude, I know my boobs.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone goes through it, right? If you get on the bus, you get all squashed up with your boobs and everyone is like, aise haath se marenge, and I'm like, hey, it's my boobs, don't touch. Private part.
How many guys do you notice staring at your boobs?
In a day?
Yeah, in a day.
A lot of them. They stare at every woman's boobs, yeah.
3, 4. Many? 4 to 5?
On an average, like 5. And they're not the kind of guys I want to stare at my boobs.
Every other guy.
Since I travel in a train a lot.
What do girls generally do to make them look bigger?
Massage, padded bras, tissues, oranges, all sorts of things.
Yeah, like there are like exercises for make your boobs bigger.
Yeah, because like I've got small boobs, so I do things to make it bigger. Yeah.
I know this girl actually, now taking names, who ate lemons because lemons make your boobs swell up. And she told her boyfriend to specifically suck on her tits because made them bigger.
If given a chance, would you like to increase or decrease the size of your boobs?
Increase, I guess.
Why?
Because people say it's too small.
I'd stay the same because I'm pretty happy with them.
Probably increase.
Yeah.
No, I like my boobs.
Yeah, I would increase.
Increase, of course. I'm pretty satisfied with the size I have.
I think increase.
No, I'm quite happy with what I have.
Why do you think they get attracted to boobs?
Big boobs. Men love big boobs, right?
Yes, men love big boobs. And I think I have big boobs.
Boobs, because the first thing when they see a girl coming, so boobs सबसे पहले दिखते. So you must be knowing that joke. It depends. A girl is coming or she's going.
Even I get attracted to boobs. Boobs are boobs.
I don't know. I don't know the difference either. They don't like the fat in the body, but like somehow the bigger the boobs, the better. So I don't get it. I really don't.
Why do guys get attracted to boobs?
See, so I'm a biology student and I can actually give you an answer as to why they get attracted to boobs.
Wow.
Yep,
Nice.
I know. Yeah, so basically, our main aim, according to Darwin, for species is to reproduce. And to reproduce, one of your secondary sexual characters are boobs. Boobs have mammary glands. Mammary glands feed your offspring. And hence, if you look at it in that way, then men are gonna look at large boobs and they don't know it, but it's like, oh my god, bada boob, bada mammary gland, matlab bahut acha offspring hoga. That is why they look at your boobs.
Do you think girls get jealous of other girls having big boobs?
Not exactly jealous, but yeah, sometimes it's envious. Like, I would like to have that.
No, I get jealous by looking at others' smaller boobs because they can wear spaghettis, anything without. People come out of their houses without bras because it's not evident. But we're like, अरे bra पहनना ही पड़ेगा निकलने के बाद. So yeah.
Yes.
Why?
Because it's good to have good boobs, big boobs.
Yeah, they do. It's like a competition. It's like bada boobs.
If they have really tiny ones, then yeah.
Had a friend who was that creepy, like creepy to the point of infinity. She used to actually measure the size of everyone's boobs. Like,
Wow.
girls' night outs, we used to be like creepy night outs.
Talk dirty, sexy. अच्छा ठीक है. Abuse me.
What category of porn do you watch?
Food sex.
Hardcore.
Hardcore as well. Yeah.